Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan from negestyle. Today's video is just a sneak peek on how to sew a little boy vest. So this is the fabric I'm going to be using. The black one is a taffeta, a heavy taffeta. The other one I'm not sure about the name. So here is it. I folded the fabric into four. The piece I'm holding will be the back of the vest and the other longer part will be the front of the vest. So it's folded by four. My measurements are divided by four. The round bust will be like this, divided by four for the back. That is doubled. And that is the front. The extra allowance is for the front buttonholes. And when I draw it out and trace it, that's how it looks like. The yellow line at the bottom will be the back, which is folded and doubled. And this part is the front. The extra space is for the buttonholes. The white line again is for the front and the yellow line is for the back, so you can make the difference. All my measurements, my bust, my waist is divided by 4 and the length remains the same. And then it's a full tutorial on how to draft, so that's on another video, but this is just a sneak peek. And that's my pieces all cut out together. I cut 2 back, fold it, open it up. That's how it looks like. So I'm gonna stitch right there on the other side, and I'm stitching the bottom, and I'll flip over and iron for the back. I'm leaving that part open and the side seam open for the back. Put that on the side, and this is the front. I have my facings, 2 facings that will be attached to the lining that you see, and I have my full front. So my lining is 2 pieces, and that's the left and the right. I'm facing 2 pieces as well because I'm attaching them together. And then my back is 2 pieces, the left and the right, the full front of the full piece of the front, not the lining, is 2 pieces. So I'm attaching it right there to stitch it there, and I'll flip it back over. I do the same on the other side of the facing and lining and the front lining. So it's just a sneak peek. I'm not showing you everything, just giving you an idea on how you could cut and sew a little boy's vest. I hope this video is helpful, making sense. Any questions, you could just comment on the comment section below. Don't forget to put a thumb up and share if you enjoy my little sneak peek on how to cut a little boy's vest. And this is how the finished vest is. That's my lining, as you see inside the front. I'm flipping over and then attach this on the back. It's a vest, so we need to do it. It's not really an adult vest, but for a child we also need to make it look like a vest. We might not have the mini pockets and all of that, but we're gonna do it right, kind of right. All right, then I'm putting the buttons. I'm gonna do the buttonholes. It's double vest, it's double buttons, so I'm gonna use, I think it's 6 buttons. Yes, buttonholes and my buttons, and my vest is completed. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope you learned something, give you a little tip and a little idea how to make a little boy's vest. Let me be precise, and catch you on the next one.